Oh my
For
God.
not knowing that they don't do same-day appointments.
I'm just saying that everybody knows
People
this.
like me don't go far in life.
People like you.
Obviously.
I think that's a girl thing. Just beat yourself up. The person says one thing, you just beat yourself up. That's a girl thing. Just say a bunch of other stuff.
Just take one thing and run with it.
And just beat the shit out
Just
yourself.
run with it. At least I ain't beating you up over it.
I'm not, but then you know what the fuck?
Now,
What I'm realizing
girl,
is,
what?
but you're saying, I'm the one who's saying all of this.
Oh, but you did.
No, I didn't say it. No,
You just put a giggle behind
see,
it.
I didn't say none of those things.
Put a
You know who
giggle
said those
behind it to
things?
soften the blow.
You know who said those
you
things?
Said, oh, you didn't know that? Giggle. You didn't know that?
Yeah, that's what I said. So that's all I said.
But the tone was like, dumbass, you didn't know that, dumbass?
What? The tone?
The tone said it all.
What do you do?
Mind you, I am a tone sound person. Your
A what?
tone said a million words.
Tones
Your
say
tone
more.
said one or two things. That's how you really felt. Or I'm gonna make a joke about all this and act like I knew that and she didn't. But really, you didn't know it either.
So wait. So what you're saying is that the thing that you didn't know, I also didn't know?
Yes, that's option B.
What do you mean?
And
So what's
just
option
you
A?
being who you are,
What's option
you're
A?
making a joke out of it. Option A is
I
you
did
really
know.
think I'm a dumbass. How could you not know that? Everybody knows that.
But option B is that I
Let
didn't
me
even
fuck
know.
with her a little bit.
I ain't even know either, but the person I am, you know that I would say to you.
These
What
just
you didn't?
immediate jokes.
You didn't say that? So I don't even probably know what you're talking about is what you said.
If I didn't know, how the hell would you know?
I don't even know what.
What you trying to say? You smarter than me?
How would
Is that what you're
Where
trying to
is
say?
this appointment
Are
at?
you trying
Where's
to
this
say
place?
you know
Wait.
more than me about things in life?
Where is this place where they don't do the same? How do I even know about this place where they don't do the same thing?
Mavis Discount Tires apparently does not do same-day appointments.
But I knew that. That's what you're
According
saying.
to your tone, it could be an option. Okay.
So maybe I wasn't calling you a complete dumbass. I just was doing my joke that I always
Right.
do.
Right. So, since you're kind of my friend, I like to give you a benefit of the doubt, give you another option.
Of who I might be being myself, yeah.
Another option so you don't make Maritza angry.
Yeah, thank you. Hopefully that option.
Because when Maritza's tired, purple Maritza can come out very easily. We don't want that.
Your name is, I thought Purple Maritza's a good Maritza.
No, she's not.
Did you see the purple pants I made?
I saw them. They're very nice. Too bad I already ordered some pants.
I know, but did you see you can order more pants. I got more pants. Make more pants. You gonna need more than one pair
You
of
think I
pants.
made of money?
No, I'm saying that you wear pants. You buy pants. You're gonna buy pants in
I
life.
made of money. In fact, I have to get another job.
I didn't say
Because
that.
I don't have enough money.
I didn't say that. I didn't say that she was making money. What I'm saying is that you're gonna buy pants again. So if you don't never buy no pants again,
I might not buy pants for 2 years.
that's what I'm saying. So if you never buy pants again for 2 years,
And I'm going to tell you why.
well, tell me why.
Because I'm going back to school.
All right, you ain't gonna need pants to go to school.
And ain't nobody on this earth going to help me with my bills while I go back
While
to
you
school.
at school to become a
and I'm
nurse.
going to have to cut back. Well, I'm already a nurse. Which is a higher positioning nurse.
That's what I'm saying. You're gonna be. Yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. You can be a nurse.
Who's supposed to help me? Nobody. So I got to cut back on work and still go to school.
At the same damn time. How hard is it gonna be to go to school and go to work at the same time?
Doesn't matter.
Can you do it?
Of course.
Can you do it?
I can do it.
Let me hear you say it.
I can do it.
Let me hear you say it.
Everybody
Who can
else
do
does it.
Who can do it?
This girl right
What's
here.
her name?
Maria.
Say her name.
What's up?
Who can do this shit?
I can. Me. The brightest apple in the bunch.
What? What the fuck? What are you talking
You know
about?
what saying I'm talking
I
about?
don't know what saying you're talking about. Man.
The sharpest tool in the shed.
I do know that. Now I know that one
There's
a little
no one
bit.
with the apples.
But look, you just see how you just combine two things. One is a tool in the shed. One is a
But there's
fruit.
one is about a light and an apple, or
No, there's different ones. There's
the
different
apple
ones.
don't fall far from the tree. That's what I'm thinking of.
Yeah, that's a whole different thing though.
So what about the light?
The light, you can say you're not the brightest light in the
I mean, if you go
mental
for
asylum.
apples,
You're
if
not
you
the
get
brightest
nice
light in the.
shiny apple.
You can say you're not the
Shined
brightest
apple.
light in the location. You're not the brightest light in the club.
Technically, an apple is shiny.
Yeah, but nobody says you're not the shiniest apple. Nobody says that.
I'm not a follower. Technically, it
I
makes
am
sense.
not a follower.
Technically, it makes sense.
I thought
I
schools
can
were
be
closed.
the brightest. No, they're not closed. They're not. You can choose to go to class 1 or 2 days a week and then do the
remote?
computer the rest of the
They should have been still do. I think they should still do that after it's over.
Now, some of the schools is closing.
What do you think about that?
What?
I think that they should offer this remote learning option even forever now.
I don't think it's a good idea.
What do you
well,
mean?
offer the option, sure, like homeschooling?
No, if you don't want to go to school today, for whatever reason, maybe you're not a person who likes to go socialize with people, maybe you're getting bullied, maybe you don't have clothes. If you can maintain your grades,
Those are homeschool options.
I'm saying, but have an option to be. Isn't they put like a camera in the classroom, and it's kids that can go to school. You don't get what I'm saying. So you're in the, let's say you.
Yes, no. It's either homeschool would be the option,
No, I
or
think they should
what
do- I
you're
think they-
thinking of is more, I feel like, for an adult that
What do you mean?
can go to college online or something like
No, it's
that.
for kids too.
If it's homeschool, but what you're saying is more for an older person.
So even like the kid was sick or whatever, now you're good. Let's say the kid was sick.
Okay.
Now the kid could be still in his classes.
Be at home, but
Is a camera in that
no,
class?
that's not fair to all the other kids.
What do you mean?
Because this kid gets to be in his house in
He's
his
sick.
bed with a class.
He's sick.
So what? Sick kids go to school, or you can homeschool.
For one day?
For one day, then you just be absent. But no.
And some
I'm
people-
sorry, a child does not have that choice. When you get older, if you want to decide to go to school online and be in your pajamas, fine. But a child, you don't get that option.
Why shouldn't they have that option if they was maintaining
If
their
their
grades?
parents want to homeschool
Let's say
them,
if
sure.
they're maintaining their grades.
If the parents want to homeschool them, sure.
I think that every kid learns different. There's a lot of distractions, I think, involved in being in school. I feel like going to school in itself, we all know the trials and tribulations that kids experience inside of a school. So I feel like that by giving children an option
They should not
to
have
stay home,
their child.
we can, huh?
Now, how old are you talking? Because a child, I feel like,
High school, junior high school.
or high school, I would consider. Anything under that? No,
Like
you got
middle-
at least
middle
make it to high
school? Middle school? I can see
Hell
that.
no,
I can
are
see
you
middle school.
insane? My son is in middle school. No. Nope. Nope. High school, okay, there's a lot of kids mature enough to make that decision, I would say. Anything under that? Hell no, you don't have an option. What? No, that's what's wrong with everybody nowadays. That's what's wrong with every lazy person around the country now. Too many options. No. We gotta draw the line somewhere. Too many options too soon. You gotta earn them options. No. You could be who you are, but no, people take that overboard. Better take your ass to school. Because you ain't gonna be who you are on my couch. No.
But if he's still going to school,
He could go to school. Now, if you're going to high school and they have that option and you can support yourself, you want to play adult, you're going to be adult 100%.
that will be playing adult. But
That's playing, you still, in my opinion,
do you understand? Do you understand what I'm talking
I
about?
get what you're
What am I
saying.
saying? Like, you give me like, let me see that you understand what I'm saying.
not exactly homeschool, but same classroom, but the kid, if he maintains his grades, have a camera and do it. There's a camera in the classroom, but the kid's at his house.
Yeah, but why? But why am I offering this to people? Why would I think people should get this? That's what I'm trying to see if you understand
said they
that.
maintain their grades if they're sick.
I'm saying, but what about other people? What's reasons why I said also? What's reasons
Those
why?
are the reasons you said.
Well, I said also
Sick.
because people get bullied in school. You got people committing suicide from being bullied in school, Marissa. Do you understand that seriously?
Yeah, that's
okay with
I
you?
gotta look up the statistics on that. Of course, it's not okay.
What, nigga? 3? What if I told you 3 kids killed themselves last year? Is that not enough kids for you? How many kids you need to kill themselves for? Is the problem?
No, then you move your kid to another school.
I'm just saying,
Doesn't-
but then that kid could have had an option to finish. You know what I'm trying to say?
I'm sure they have some type of options.
They
like
don't have that
But
because people like you.
kids do not
people
kill
like-
themselves
Kids
at
do
the
not.
grade that I'm talking about. That
Kids
might
kill
happen in
themselves
high school.
in elementary school.
Well, then shit. There's something wrong with them to begin with.
What?
That is
You know
way
you're
too
being
young.
recorded right now.
I don't care. I
You don't
don't
wanna say
care.
that?
If a child kills themselves before they hit high school, Their parents did not do something right. I'm sorry. You did not put them in therapy. You did not pay enough attention. You didn't listen to the warning signs. The child is too young to want to kill themselves. It's not just bullying. It has to be an all-around situation. Maybe they're being abused at home also. That's why at that age, I blame the parents also. Sorry.
You're brutal.
Oh, yeah. I'm kind of brutal.
That is brutal, man. To blame a parent for their kid killing themselves.
At a young age, hell yeah. How do you not know your child is that depressed?
Because you don't take it that serious.
Exactly. If my child was that depressed, you're going to be stuck to my hip. There's no way you're killing yourself. You get what I'm saying?
How you going to know? Some kids...
I would know.
You know what they say about people that want to kill themselves? The ones that really want to kill themselves, like really want to do them, because some people just want attention.
Please hold that thought.
What? About kids killing themselves? Maybe I should ask them about it.
Good morning. Hi. Do you do oil changes and a tire rotation all while we're sitting in the car?
Well, we can't rotate it while you're sitting in the car. That'd be a little dangerous because you'd be flipping around in there.
We were told we were going to get it rotated while we were in here. I'm joking.
How much is the tire rotation?
29. You do it once every 6,000 to 10,000 miles. So once every 2 oil changes typically.
All right, so let's just do the oil change. This will be my first oil change for the car. And I know there's like 2 different options, right?
Yeah. So they're gonna go over all that with you inside. Okay. So just follow their guide.
Yes. Just go straight.
Yep.
Am I like
Watch
in
his
line?
hands.
Okay. Watch his hands. Simple enough. How am I doing? You're making me nervous. Put the camera down, guys. Look at all these handsome guys in here. Lord Jesus. There's another one. And another one. You guys need to make your own calendar. You don't have that on tape, do you?
I do.
Sorry, I'm just admiring all the handsomeness in here.
Do we got to get out?
No, you stay in the car.
6508, 6,000 miles.
This is a quick oil change. You stay in the car.
What?
You stay in the car while they do it.
So,
Sure?
that's probably something I would without a customer. You got everything?
Got to do some stuff, I guess. Right?
Hold on 1 second. There you go.
One day
They're
let
gonna
me
ask me
smoke.
to take the keys out and put them up there in a second. Watch.
You been here before?
Yes, the one in Newburgh. I'll schedule the tire rotation next time. And the lights?
Turn everything
off.
Yeah, that's what off
Okay,
means.
so you say you've never been to a Valvoline before, correct?
I have with a different car, never with this car.
First name?
Maritza, Maritza.
Last name?
Let's do Lee, Lee. I have a new last name, so
How many do you have?
I'm in between last names, okay? I am.
Apartments San Diego.
Yes.
So I got a 1647 Fifth Ave.
No,
Was that you at one point?
no.
No?
Do you want to? I'll give you my old last name. MRANI.
MR,
Yes. I know it's weird.
Sunset Avenue?
Yes.
Are we still there?
We're still there.
Still Mitza136@gmail.
Yes.
And so like you already knew, there are 2 types of oil for this car. We have semi-synthetic and full synthetic. Semi-synthetic is a synthetic blend. It's made with full synthetic and conventional oils mixed together. Full synthetic is just straight synthetic oil. It has all of the additives, all the detergents. The typical oil breakdown life is about 4,500 miles for this one, 7,000 miles for this one. The choice is yours. Both are compatible with your vehicle.
So, which is the one that once I do it, I can't do the other?
They're neither.
Neither.
Back in the day, it used to be synthetic, but not anymore. Now you can bounce around however you want.
Things have changed.
So
When did that happen?
What does this coupon work for?
That's for conventional oil.
None of
you
that.
would need the $25 one. So
That one
boom.
would
that's
work for
$25
either one.
Either. So if you can take $25 off, it'd probably be best to use the best.
Okay,
You
but
get the best bang for your buck.
which is, forget the money, honestly, which one is better?
The full synthetic oil. So like I said, the breakdown.
Do you work on
4.5
commission?
thousand miles. No, unfortunately, I wish. I sure wish.
All right.
But yeah, so if you can only go 4,000 miles on an oil and then 7,000 on another, you're doing basically a whole another oil change. So you would pay 65 times twice to use this oil.
All right, so
You know
let's
what I
do
mean?
that when you guys do all the fluids, right?
Yes, tires, fluids. Your vehicle only has 6,000 miles on it, so it's not due for any system servicing, no recommendations. So it's just going to be oil for you today.
All right, we'll do that one. I got a coupon. Check out my coupon.
420 full sin, 4.9.
Hello, motherfucker. You look pissed. Who done pissed you off? I'll beat the shit out the motherfucker. Show me who it is. Mastermind Mo Williams.
There you go.
My first oil
Just place
change
this right up
sticker. I'm so
I'm
happy.
glad you trusted it with us.
Well, by default, all the other places were full. I'm just kidding. I came here first. Come on.
We typically blow up like maybe 2 cars a day, so nice roll. Maybe
There
it'll be
you
good,
go.
maybe not.
Fine with me. Well, and I'm not one of the two. Feel free to throw in your discount on top of it. I'm a nurse. You might need me one day. Just saying. He ain't gonna give me a discount.
And can I see that coupon? Scan.
I gotta take care of Vinny.
Any questions you might have on your car?
My sister's husband is like a mechanic. She said something about one of the back lights had like water in it. Just double check that. That's about it. I don't know what she meant by that. Some kind of fluid.
That's a condensation, but no actual.
It's okay. All right.
So that means like something was too loose.
Mhm.
Condensation got inside of the lens, but you don't have any buildup.
Okay.
And you can start your motor with it. Oil pressure, babe. 1. Do you know how long this light has been on?
A day.
A day? Do you know what caused it? Or if you were doing anything?
I think I needed an oil change.
Okay. Yeah, so the service engine soon light is the Mitsubishi's check engine light. So that's what they use for their check engine stuff. So that's something you would have to get the code red. And that could be something very simple like leaving the gas cap open or revving the car too high.
Gas cap
things
was
like
open,
that.
now
Yeah,
that I
yeah.
think about it.
All right, but it won't go away until you actually get it cleared with a reader, okay?
So I can go to AutoZone and...
Yeah, they'll check
Gotcha.
it for you, let you know exactly why it's on. You can turn the
Gotcha.
vehicle off now, okay?
Guess who left the gas cap open? You did. Oh, you did. When you put gas in my car, went to McDonald's. Excellent. Nope. It's cool. They just do this all day. There's like 7 of them. And we got the one guy that just stands there.
Well, he does.
He'll guide me out. That's it.
Alright, total with the discount is 67.
It's done?
That's it.
All you're gonna do, Merch, is insert your card. I will do the rest for you.
It's done already?
Yeah. It's done.
When they gonna do it?
They did it. They
It's yours.
stay fast here. These are my buddies.
Any final questions?
None.
How was your
Excellent.
Pleased?
Very
How about
pleased.
you? Impressed you too?
Did you do it?
What's up?
It's done already?
Yeah.
All right, yeah, I guess I didn't even know it was done.
Basically, that was fast.
I'll take it.
That was fast. Yes.
You guys are right out. Okay, you guys have a good day.
Thank you.
Did they do the shit?
They did it. They had the oil.
When did they do it?
What do you mean? They just did it all.
We just got here.
You are an ass. Thanks, guys. You guys are the best. You really need to make a calendar. Like the sexy fireman, the sexy Valvoline guys. They're all gay. You know how I know that?
Right.
Either that or they think you're my man.
Nah, but then you wouldn't be doing all of that if I was your man. So they know I'm just your friend.
Oh, yes, I would.
Nah, you would definitely not. You wouldn't be doing that shit. And I'm not even the jealous type to be caring, but you just wouldn't. Girls don't do that. That's not how girls behave, because most girls wouldn't want guys doing that. So that's their reason for not doing that.
My husband would do that.
What?
Act like that.
That's me. I'm like that. I'm like that. So I wouldn't care. That's what I'm saying. I don't care, but I wouldn't really. A girl wouldn't most of the time do that. That's me. I would go in there and be, damn, everybody here look good. God damn. And that's that's one thing people don't like.
Sexy,
I'm super flirty.
sexy.
Even if I'm not thinking about really fucking, I just like to flirt. I just think it makes people feel good. I like making people feel good.
I like making people feel good. I get a kick out of watching. I think it's comical.
What?
Like, my man wants to do that and act flirty. It's funny.
Yeah.
I get a kick out of it. It's funny. It's funny to me. I don't know why.
Because
I get a
most
kick
people
out of it.
misread it. Most people think I do want to fuck them or whatever, but really, it's not that serious for me. I'm just trying to make everybody feel good about themselves and
I
be
guess
happy.
it makes me feel good to know that, okay, other people think my man is sexy too.
Yeah, he's cool.
He's
It's
an
different ways. It's different ways for people to view it. I think definitely. You know what I mean? Because like you said, you can view it the idea of, yeah, look at my man. He's cool. He's the life of the party. People like him, and then other people would be just jealous of it. Like, oh my god, everybody likes him. You know what I mean? They can see it. You know what I mean?
But why ruin the day? Like, see, that's where the confidence has to come in. It don't even have to be in a confident relationship, just a confidence in the person. Because if you think about it, what's the saying that you have?
Which one?
It's yours, it's not gonna go
Oh
nowhere.
yeah.
And if it does go somewhere, it wasn't meant
It
to
really
be.
wasn't yours. It was yours. It was momentary.
You can't get somebody better.
Yeah, you could, or get somebody just as good or
Everybody's
whatever.
replaceable, and
Everything
the
is replaceable.
replacement is better.
lot of
Everybody's
times, yeah.
capable of getting a better replacement.
Yeah, of something. Yeah, definitely.
You just gotta keep that person.
I gotta go to the store, man.
Finding it. I gotta go to get my car plugged
Gotta
in
get a
now.
wrap. Oh, why they?
No, I'll take you there. Then I'm
No, you
gonna
can do
go
that. I can
somewhere.
walk. I'm a gangster.
You about that life?
You know, I live this life. It's my life. I said, yo, I'm mad I got this fucking stain on my pants, though. Good job.
No. It goes with the whole gangster about that life. It matches your hair. Look
It matches
good.
my hair. I forgot you think my hair looks ugly. I don't care.
I never said that.
No, I know how you think. I know how you. I know how you live.
How
I know you as a
roles have
person.
reversed.
I know you as a person because you told me before. You think hair has
right
to be.
now, I like your hair.
Hair has to be
Your
all
hair needs
cute.
to be twisted.
That
up
gives. I
top.
said, yeah, you think it needs to be
Oh,
twisted.
but I love hair. I love your dread, the length. I don't know what you're talking about. What the hell are you talking about?
This
The
right here.
top, yes,
I know that's what I'm saying.
needs to be.
Yeah, but this is cute to
Twisted.
me too. I know that you know. I think I'm cute right now. You know that about me?
You are always handsome.
No, but you know I think that.
Think what?
That I'm cute right now.
Oh, I know you think you fly.
I think I'm cute right now.
Put on the leather. You got the hat going on.
I ain't got no hat going on.
Whatever hood, whatever the hell you want to call that.
My hood, yeah. Yeah, you got this coming with
Where
this.
you
Yeah, this is gonna
going?
look. You was so right.
Can
You gonna
you
look
get-
so fire with this on. I'm
Go
thinking. I thought about it. You gonna look
Can
so.
you go get me the tester in there?
Yeah, I'll go do it.
Go through. You going back that way, right?
Huh?
You going?
Nah, I'm gonna go over there and tell him I need to get the tester, son. Don't be like that.
Got it.
So we gotta get the car tested. You doing blessed, King? How much is it for the free engine light check thing?
How much is it?
Yeah.
That's for free.
Okay.
Put it in under your steering wheel. It's gonna be under your steering wheel, just coming with the mileage. Turn on the car, just plug it in and just wait for it to say done.
All right, thank you. Under the steering wheel. Yo, I got the hookup. You heard me? I got it for free.
I can't find.
Do you know how to do this?
Give me that. This car is so new that I can't find.
Under the steering wheel, he said.
I know where to go. Supposed to go right there. I can't do it.
Want me to try to do it?
Stuck. Wait 1 second. There. Okay, I got it.
I knew you could do it. I believed in you.
Does everything by itself.
Okay.
I can do it all. Don't take that to them. It's asking for.
Nah, I got so, you know, really weird.
Does it have the stone go seats? One's a folded in a four? I can get one at like $15. That's the lowest OE pitch. I've got you on my card number. They ain't even close to right now. So create or the H set right so
The mileage?
Huh?
You got the mileage?
I have to tell you the mileage.
Yeah.
What's the mileage?
65.
65? Yes.
Let me do time before I can get
I'm
that
sorry,
stuff.
what was it again?
65?
I don't have any of it. No. I mean, it might be coming off a truck right now, but unfortunately, the
65,000
truck's still
Mhm.
packed up. It's not unloaded yet. That's pushing it. There's nobody here unloading the truck. That's the problem. Because I got like the thermostats in Highland, the Tyrant engine.
You sure it said done on this? Because it says nothing is found.
It said done.
I'm sorry?
It said done.
Let me try one more time. Check engine light is on, right?
It was on, yeah.
It was? It's not on no more?
Well, they said it won't turn off until we come get it plugged in, but they said it might have been the cap because we had left the cap on.
Yeah, this is not going to do that. He's talking about like the thing that resets the code and all that. Yeah, this is not that. This is just to check and see what the problem is. I can try it again for you.
No, just mega hub stuff and then
Yeah, nothing is found. This is the problem.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, no problem.
All right. They said nothing was found. You hear me?
I know there's nothing wrong with the car. I need to know what that one thing means. I don't see it in here. Oh, maybe it's here. So, what I'm looking for is, I'll show you right now. Now I can find out what that means, find out what I need to do to get that light to go off. See what I'm talking about? You still recording?
Yeah.
Everybody gotta be over to my business.
My business.
You're right. Okay, so I don't know what the little button is called. Here, let me show you. Look, leave it open. Next, you gotta look in here. There's gonna be a little thing. It looks like a button up here that you have to press. Watch. See that thing with the arrow pointing to it? Wait, it's not there now. Okay. Watch. There's gonna be a button with an arrow. Oh, come here. No, it's not there. It's not doing it now. You don't see the button with the arrow? No? Alright, let me get those books so we can sit in the car. No. Maybe I'll do it right. Because I checked every...
What does it say? Where's the book at that shows what you're talking about?
I don't see the symbol. Here's one book. It's not the display audio. This is all about the radio. That's the warranty. I have another book in the front. I was just looking in here. You can look in there. That book I was just looking at. Close the door. Let me see. I know what I can do. could use my. Service engine soon on a brand new Mitsubishi Outlander Sport 2020. Maybe it'll go by itself.
Can't you go to the Blaze?
I'll make an appointment with them. I mean, it's all the way in Beacon. I got this car in Beacon. But he said nothing wrong with the car, right?
That's what he said.
Yeah, there shouldn't be nothing wrong.
Said
with
you
this
plug it
car.
in good? I said, yeah. How many miles is it?
65,000,
100 or 1,000?
6,500.
Oh, good job. I don't think I told him the wrong thing.
Last year, back. Oh well. We'll just drive around with it sometimes. Service engine soon, light for loose gap cap.
Here's a summary from Motorrad. The check engine light should go off after you drive for several minutes if the light was caused by a loose gas cap. If you find that the light keeps coming on and goes off again once you tighten the gas cap, then your gas cap is too loose.
I'm done looking it up.
You want to tighten it up?
I already did that.
Okay.